Hello everyone. In this video, let us learn applications of resonance. I did two videos on what is resonance, what are the conjugation types. Okay, so I will provide the link in the description. You can refer through that. Here, applications of resonance. Let us see now. The first application, stability of conjugated species. Stability of conjugated species. Okay, here the conjugated species is more stable than non-conjugated species. For example, see here I am giving one structure. We know it is benzene. Okay, so in benzene you can observe there is a conjugation in double bonds. Here I am giving one more structure. You can see there are two double bonds. Here three double bonds, but three double bonds are in conjugation. So this is structure 1. Just assume this is structure 1 and this is structure 2. Benzene, and this is 1,4 cyclohexadiene. Okay, so among these two there is conjugation you can observe, but there is no conjugation at all. So the stability order of these two species, we know the molecule with conjugation is more stable than the molecule without conjugation. Okay, this is a cyclic structure. Even in a open chain structure also, if you observe like this, here the molecule with conjugation, I am not keeping any hydrogens here. Okay, assume this is structure 1 and this is structure 2. In structure 1 you can observe the conjugation, see here like this, but there is no conjugation. Okay, even though this molecule having two double bonds, but they are not alternative bonds. Okay, so among these two the stability order, molecule 1 is more stable than molecule 2. Okay, so like that, resonance effect on the stability of molecules. If conjugation present in the molecule, then it is more stable. If the conjugation not there, then it is less stable when compared to the conjugated system. Okay, let us see one more application of resonance. Stability of allyl carbocation. Stability of allyl carbocation and benzyl carbocation. How resonance effect on the stability of allyl carbocation and benzyl carbocation? Let us see. What is allyl carbocation? CH2CH. This is called allyl cation. Allyl carbocation. Okay, see, this is benzyl carbocation. Benzyl, simply it is with benzene ring, that is called phenyl. This is phenyl, this is benzyl, don't confuse here. This ring directly it is phenyl group, this is benzyl group. Okay, so benzyl carbocation. Here if you see allyl carbocation, on writing the resonance structure, this double bond shift to here, the electron deficiency creates on this carbon. Okay, total how many resonating structures here? Two resonating structures. These are also called as canonical structures. So how many? Total two canonical structures. Okay, but if you see in benzyl carbocation, you can observe here there are more number of canonical structures. This is benzyl carbocation. If these pi electrons shift on to between these two carbons, then you can write the structure like this, and the positive charge appeared on this carbon because electron deficiency is creating on this carbon. Okay, then here again, if these pi electrons shift on to this carbon, then the resultant structure will be like this. Here electron deficiency created. Okay, if these electrons shift here, then the resultant structure like this. Okay, so if this pi electron shift here, then the first structure you will get. Total how many? 4 canonical structures. 4 canonical structures are possible here. Okay, so here 2 canonical structure, 4 canonical structure. We know that if more number of canonical structure, the stability also more. So benzyl carbocation is more stable than allyl carbocation. Okay, so here I am giving like this: benzyl carbocation is more stable than allyl carbocation. Allyl carbocation. Okay, see, instead of these two hydrogens, if two vinyl groups, this group is called as vinyl group. Vinyl, we call it as vinyl group. Okay, so in first case to this carbocation, one vinyl group attached. If see here, instead of one hydrogen, one vinyl group replaced that. Then here how many double bonds are in conjugation? Here one double bond in conjugation, 2 resonating structures are possible. If 2 double bonds in conjugation, there are 3 resonating structures, 3 canonical structures possible. Okay, if 3 double bonds in conjugation, then how many canonical structures possible here? 4 canonical structures. 4 canonical structures possible. Okay, so this is species 1, this is species 2, and this is 3. So among these 3, which one is more stable? Where the more number of canonical structures, then that is more stable. So stability order of these 3, third one is more stable than second one, then it is more stable than first one. Okay, so here how many canonical structures possible? You can use this formula: number of canonical structures equal to what? Number of canonical structures equal to number of double bonds in conjugation with a positive charge, equal to number of double bonds number of double bonds in conjugation with positive charge plus 1. Okay, here 1 double bond in conjugation with the positive charge, so 1 plus 1 2 canonical structures. 2 double bonds in conjugation, so 2 plus 1 3 double bonds in conjugation, so here 3 plus 1, that is 4. Clear? Right. Similarly here number of canonical structures, in this case number of canonical structures equal to number of phenyl rings, means benzene rings in conjugation with positive charge, number of benzene rings into 3 plus 1. This is the formula. Okay, see, With this positive charge, how many benzene rings are there? Only one benzene ring. So 1 into 3, 3 plus 1, total 4. Okay. See here I am taking 2 phenyl rings like this. 2 phenyl rings. So total how many possible here? 2 benzene rings. No, 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7 canonical structures are possible. Okay. So assume this is structure 1 and this is structure species 2. One more I am taking with 3 phenyl rings around the carbocation. Then how many possible here? Okay, 3 are there. No? 3 into 3 plus 1, total 10 canonical structures possible in species 3. Okay, so what is the stability order of these 3? So more the number of canonical structures, more is the stability. So stability order here, third species is more stable than, second species is more stable than first one. Okay, so this stability order not only for the carbocations, not only for allyl carbocation and benzyl carbocation, it is applicable to allyl carbanion, benzyl carbanion also. Okay, allyl carbanion, same stability order you can write for allyl carbanion. Allyl carbanion, you just replace the positive charge with negative charge here, carbanion. Okay, so same stability order you can write, you can apply here also. This is single bond. If this negative charge will consider as a pair of electrons, so here forming a bond, this electron shift onto this carbon, negative charge appeared here, double bond formed here. Okay, so like that here also 2 resonating structures are possible. If this hydrogen, this instead of this hydrogen, if we keep one more vinyl group, then 3 resonating structures possible, as we discussed in the case of carbocation. Same order you can follow here. Okay, so allyl carbanion and benzyl carbanion also follows the same stability order as we discussed in the case of carbocation. Okay, no? This is benzyl carbanion. Benzyl carbanion follows the same order. Free radicals also, allyl free radical and benzyl free radical also follows the same stability order. So if you know the stability order in the case of carbocation, and these carbanion and free radical orders also same order, follows the same order. Okay, benzyl free radical, this is benzyl free radical. Okay, order is same. Clear? Okay, this is about in applications of resonance. First one, stability of conjugated species we learn, and stability of allyl carbocation, allyl carbanion, allyl free radical, benzyl carbocation, benzyl carbanion, benzyl free radical. Okay, so learn allyl and benzyl carbocation perfectly, and carbanion free radical follows the same order, same stability order. Okay. Thanks for watching.